Good morning. Today topics engineering graphics. This is a basic fundamentals of engineering graphics. So first units metric conversion. What is metric conversion? Metric system is a decimal based systems where each unit is related by points. Base unit length is meter. So first one we see the 1 kilometers. 1 kilometer equal to 100,000 meter. 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. 1 meter equal to 1 meters. 1 decimeter equal to 0.1 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. 1 millimeter equal to 0.001 meters. Generally the key conversions 1 kilometers equal to 100 meters. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters equal to 100 centimeter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Engineering drawings always are prepared in the millimeters unless otherwise specified. Next one is decimal units. Decimal units are the metric units that increase or decrease by a factor 10. The importance of decimal units easy convertible by shifting the decimal points. Uniform system across the engineering, science and industries. Eliminate the complex fractions. Examples are 2.5 meters. We can convert 2500 mm. 450 mm we can convert it into meters, 0.45 meters. This is a simplicity make the decimal units ideal for engineering drawing and calculations. Next one is engineering scale. Engineering scale is a ratio of a length of drawing to the corresponding actual length. The scale equal to drawing length divided by actual length. The purpose of scale represent very large objectives, that means a building, roads, etc. The represent very small objects, the machine parts like bed, any other components, matting points, maybe it's a circular type or rectangular or unshaped parts, maintaining the professional accuracy. The types of based size: full scale 1:1, reducing the scale 1:2, 1:5, 1:10. In a enlarging scale 2.1, 5.5:1. Next one is a types of engineering scale. First one is a plane scale, diagonal scale, comparative scale, scale of charts. The plane scale measuring 2 units, meters and decimeters. Simple construction used ordinary measurements. A diagonal scale measure the 3 units, meters, decimeters, centimeters, based on the principles or simple triangles. Provide the high precisions. Applications used where the fine measurement accuracy is required. Comparative scale used to compare two different of systems. Commonly compress metric and imperial units. Examples: kilometer versus miles. The chord scales. Next one is in this scale, a scale of chords used to measure an angles based on the circle chord principles, used when a protractor is not available. The applications: mechanical field, civil engineering, angle constructions. So these are the types of scales recently used in the various